up? What's up?
We're there.
Hello, we're having our dinner.
How much hours would it be? Daddy, how much hours if we were gonna walk?
Hi.
Hi.
We bought our food in the Chinese shop.
I want that.
I'm starting. Not yet. Not yet. Just talking to myself. I'm live.
What happened if we drove all the way there?
Hang on. Here's Monday. Here's
Imagine if you walk
no,
all
hang on.
the
Watch
way
Caroline.
there.
7, 14, 6, 15,
See what? She's eating all.
Here. Are you done, honey?
So we can
Daddy, are you done?
nearly. Hang on.
All the way to there. Daddy, imagine if you drove
Didn't
all
hit
the
it
way
on.
to there. So first we were in.
Yeah.
Daddy,
You done?
Yeah, that's the fish.
Daddy, imagine we
What's
drove
that?
all the way. Daddy, imagine.
Tito Bob is watching. Hello, what's up? What's up? Not
Hey,
yet.
is he watching?
We have our food from the Chinese restaurant. Chinese takeaway. Here we got a fish, a noodles, what's this? Pork spare ribs.
Hello.
Tito Bob is watching. Jollibee? No, it's not Jollibee. It's from a Chinese takeaway
Mommy,
shop.
Mommy.
Lijan is eating. Good boy, eh? Hello, Tito Bob. We're not eating Jollibee. We're eating Chinese food. Takeaways.
Philippine food.
Lijan, you eat. Uncle Bob is watching you. You eat your food.
Don't drop it on the floor, mate. Quite a mixture, really, wasn't it?
This is, huh?
Fun mixture.
Which one you like? This one? Pork spare rib, eh?
And is it pork or beef?
Pork?
Daddy.
Pork.
It looks like there's blood here.
Oh, I'm going to cut myself.
What?
Shaving. Anyone want some more fish?
You get the fish.
Yeah, hungry, mum.
Away bit. Fish.
No, it's not a way that he's hungry.
This is just a way bit. If I'm hungry, this is very full.
Yeah.
It's not yet full, so not really hungry. If it's full,
I want some noodles.
look. If Tito Bob.
Oh, it just as well. There you got the noodles. Did you get noodles?
Hannah, let me see. Give it to mommy, Hannah. Mama, I'm eating. Look.
Diba? Uncle Bob. DJ is eating.
Let him see my plate.
He's good boy.
Let him see my plate.
Yeah. And Sarah's also empty her plate off. And Hannah is nearly done si Hannah. Good girl. Pork spare ribs. Ribs. Pork spare ribs.
I'm done.
Bring all the plates in here. Sing.
The washing.
Hmm?
You mean the sink?
This one is, what's this?
How's Mama and Papa? How's
Fish. How was Papa and Mama doing? Hmm?
Mommy,
Hmm? Mm. Say hi, Uncle Mom.
Oh, there's the ball.
Mm.
That is the ball.
What you eat?
Even chicken.
You like the chicken? You done, ate?
Yummy.
Yummy?
I'm done.
You done?
Yeah.
Oh, no, mommy left.
I'm done. I will done.
Okay.
Hi, Daddy.
Hello, buddy.
Sarah, here,
What do you want, Vision?
fish.
Yeah.
Mine.
Mm.
I'll do that for you.
Lagi dyan magkinamot. They're all done. I'm the one still in the table.
Mommy, look. Look how fast I am now.
We're here at the master ton. Huh?
Mommy, look how fast I am now.
Mm.
Before I
Careful, careful.
Before I was like this.
What you eating?
I eating this, like that. Now I'm like this.
Hmm? Careful, Hannah.
Hang on. Hang on.
That's Nick. He's called
Mm.
Albert.
Huh?
She's called Albert.
Cheese?
That,
Who's that?
she's called Albert. The
Lami
girl.
kayo ng noodles. From Chinese takeaways.
No, don't touch it.
Wala ganun siya sa hug. Noodles, the carrots, and then the cabbage. Yun lang. Hmm. Tastes good.
You didn't get any rice, honey.
Huh?
Didn't you get any rice?
Yeah, I get some rice, but Sarah and Hannah want it. I think Sarah had all the rice.
Thank you, Sarah.
Hmm?
Thank you, Sarah. Have all the rice.
Yeah, she ate a lot. Very hungry. Hi, Ate. Hi, Ate Joyce. Kain tayo, Ate Joyce. Ito, fish and chips. From Chinese takeaways. Mm. Good boy. Say hi to our viewers. Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Are you done eating?
Yeah.
Where's your plate? Is that your plate? still have some.
I do like
Okay, you have the crab stick. Oh wow, I like this one. Thank you, Legion. And here's the scrambled egg. Like it? Say hi to my friend. Ate Joyce, she's watching you.
Hi, Auntie Joyce.
We cannot see them, but
Hello.
they're watching.
Hi.
Mm.
I've been driving for 7 hours.
It's nearly 7 hours, eh?
Oh, yeah.
A good driver.
Ready for,
Hmm?
I'm ready for a little.
You're not sleepy when you drive?
But, oh, well, no, I wasn't.
Because when I saw you in your side, your eyes is like that. Or you just focus on the road.
Yeah.
You just focus on the road.
my dago.
Well, with that rain, you have to,
Yeah.
with that rain, it was quite heavy.
It
at
was
times.
heavy.
And we,
You cannot clearly see the road.
no.
Because when we get here, it's very heavy rain. But when we live in Tauranga, it's just rain shower. Hey, Regine, put it here. Fish
Oh,
fillet. Nice. Fresh fish.
Straight up the middle, 3 or 4 phases have gone. Nasi Mane makes some heavy yards there. And then
They start the rugby, honey.
yeah.
pass, and how often do we see this where it just throws the fence off?
That's the number one
Boy, are they happy and
game in New Zealand.
for effort.
Rugby.
Probably a weakness in his game is his defence, and they've decided there to press up hard. He hasn't affected a strong tackle, which has cost him.
Crab stick. Chinese like butter, honey, and honey. It's not listening. Focus on the TV.
No, sorry, dear.
No. The Chinese really loves the butter.
But they know it fills you. The
Because
batter
it's
fills you, see?
because it's, yeah,
Yeah. They put a lot of
Did it.
batter on things to fill us.
to fill the tummy.
Yeah.
So you may feel worth it for your money because you're full.
Yeah. No, so, yeah.
I just eat the fish, not the butter, because it's too much fattening.
Yeah.
Busog ka na sa butter pa lang.
Careful.
I'm done. Bye-bye muna. Hugas ng plate. Sarah?
been stolen now. I think Liam Benson might have got that, although I think the Highlanders have got it back. Now they're going to penalty check. Holding on.
Sarah? Oh, wait. Put the glass in the sink, please. Where's my brother? Bobby? Where's your dog? Here's for the dog. Here's for your dog, Bob. Put it in here. Wash the plate. Wash the plate tayo. Oh! Grabe. Very cold here in Masterton. Masterton is down south in New Zealand. South is very cold place. They have their snow here, but in Tauranga it's not. Tauranga is the best weather in New Zealand. Sarah? Saan na to kung dalaga? Di naman matabang. Sarah? Sarah?
Yes.
Sarah? The table, please. Yeah.
We need a cloth.
Here. You can use this. Hugas ng plato. Washing the plate after eating.
Did you know they have fake people there?
What's good in here? This is an apartment, motel. Looks like a house. Complete. They have 2 rooms, 1 master room, and the other room is for the kids, which has 2 single beds. And then this motel, I think each apartment has a lounge and dining table, a big dining table, good for how many seaters? 6 seaters. Hey. And a big toilet and bathroom. Very cold water. Very cold water. All the you can cook here. They have a stove. Range. They have a microwave oven. Fully furnished. Wala niyo mo gitara. Sarah! Here! Ay. Sarah! Here. Lampay mo nga ano yung... Complete sila, oh. With dishwashing liquid. They have their dish strainer. Grabe, ang galing. Kahit naka-heater pa. Very cold. Balance the water from hot to make it warm. Hugas ng plato si Lula. Ah? I think I have in my bag. Just wait. I'll get the nail cutter. Lijen? Here's the nail cutter. Give it to Daddy, please. Can you give this to Daddy, Long? This one, give to Daddy. Thank you. Kompleto. Nasa kitchen yung bag. Hugas ng plato. Hi! Merciful Asinero. Hi! I don't know if I seen you sa Facebook lang. Hi, Ting Gallegos. Hello, kumusta? Yeah. Dito kami sa Masterton. Bisitahin namin yung anak ng habi ko. Si Kane at si Luke. Hugas na mo. Maganda dito kasi meron ng hot water, diretso na mag drain ko yung water, sterilize mo diretso hot water. Medyo nabigla si Javi kasi nag-live ako. I'm not the go video live video. Oh, hot. kaya hot water siya kasi very clean, oh. Diba? Parang ano siya. Away bet hot talaga siya. Damihan natin kasi hindi naman sa atin yung dishwashing liquid. Ayan. Oh,
I want to eat just chippies.
what you eating? Chippies? I thought you already had your tea. Huh? Huh? You had your tea. Oh, very hot. Very hot. Dun sa Chinese takeaways, they have these boxes. Every box, this one is $13, so you have, well, after paying $13, they will give you this box. They have small, medium, large,
Mommy!
and then this one is medium
Mommy!
size,
They go!
and they have those foods displays where you can get what you want. Get what you want and put in your box. This one, your container. Whatever you like. There's chicken, there's beef, there's what else? Noodles, fried rice, squid balls. Marami siya eh. Hindi ko na alam kung dishes. Yun. Luto lang. So two of this is enough for us. Worth only $26. And $26 times 3 is around 600. 6 times 3. Yeah, 600. 600. Legend, you cannot watch Annie. You cannot watch Annie. Yeah. Yeah, you like Annie, eh? Annie. Favorite ni Legend. Eh? Yes, that's your favorite. You like Annie? Yeah. Just think about tomorrow. La 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 la. Tomorrow. Why it's not fair? It's not fair though. Huh? Why it's not fair? What you doing?
I'm taking a phone.
Huh? You say hi to our viewers.
I cannot see it.
Hey, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. So try ko muna yung play.
I got this spoon.
What you got? What you got?
We got more.
What you got?
There's cupcakes.
Oh,
We got it. Yes.
huh?
We got the green
Oh.
owl. That's hers.
Mommy, oh. Mommy, what you doing, Mommy? Daisy, what a Daisy, Mommy?
I'm a Daisy.
What a Daisy, Mommy? Yeah, dried up. Well, really, if you wash hot water, very clear, oh, and nearly dry na siya. Oh! Ooh. Di ko alam kung pumasok ka dito, may bayad. They charge you. Maybe. Sana yung mga kapatid ko. They're not busy. Buti pa si Ate Mercy, si Ate Joyce, si Ting Gallegos, diba? Pa-watch nila. Thank you for watching. Walang magawa. Today is my vacation. Wala sa bahay. Nandito kami sa master room. Kaya, pero the same pa rin. Parang nasa bahay kasi hugas plato. Pero di mo na kailangan mag-linis ng bahay kasi meron silang housekeeping dito. Go pop, Legend! No! Careful! Huh? You're naughty boy. Are you naughty or good boy? Good boy. Very good. You want banana? Huh? You cannot see the mirror? The mirror? Why you want the mirror? Winter dito sa sa New Zealand. From June, July, August. June, July, August, September, 3 months. And after winter is spring. Spring na. October, November, December. And then December, January, February, summer. February, March, every 3 months. 3 months.
He said it's a big one.
Lijen, can you pick up for me, please? Thank you. Thank you. Good boy. Yun, si Lijen.
Mommy,
That's my little boy, Lijen. Good boy.
really yucky.
Throw it in the rubbish.
Move the garbage.
Baon ni Lijen na banana na sira. Here's the rubbish. Here. Go. Thank you, Lijen. Yan. Dito nila nilalagay yung mga
Big banana.
cup and glass.
And a banana.
Back to
And one banana.
their places sila.
Mommy, and one banana.
Huh?
Will do the honours in the season opener here in Wellington. Assistant Gary Wise and Bryce Morris on the sideline. And the second underway.
The buggy.
Yes. Ate Joyce, akala ko yung apartment mo is fully furnished.
That's cool.
Pag fully furnished, you can charge higher, higher rent. Gaya nito, ate, meron silang ganyan. Meron silang yan, microwave. Water jar. Ito. Saka bar fridge. Saan ko ilalagay dito? Yan. Meron silang gamit dito. Ganyan. This one. Meron silang plunger. May grater din. Yan. Meron silang banana? No, thank you. Oh. Hi, I'm Pink and Bless. Annalisa. Hello. Hugas plato. Nearly done. Ayan. I'm done na. So, it's time to what? Arrange all the stuff.
Stu well to the sideline. Terrific start, Stewie. Well, Brad, the thing is that, with the thing with the
That's water.
Here. Kalat yung mga bato nito. Sarah? Yung panganay ko nasa room na. Kalat. We're in room number 21. That's my daughter na hanggang room lang lagi nasa kanyang nest. Finish this so I can throw them. You're full. Wala. Agoy. Sorry. Ako gusto ko lagi organize. Kayo naman, sige, kalat-kalat. Kayo.
No,
Always make a mess.
I'm
Look.
not. I'm just staying in my bed.
Playing in your bed. What do you play?
There, for TikTok. There, for TikTok.
Maybe you can do TikTok, Ate. TikTok tayo, Ti. TikTok daw kami. Yan lang banding na mag-TikTok. TikTok, tok, tok, tik, tik. Ito yung room, bathroom, and toilet. Kasama. All in one. Yan. Ching. Diba? When you look at the floor, it looks like parang dangerous siya. Parang mas-slide ka dyan. Dun. Diba ganyan kasi siya eh. Slide. Ito yung bone niya. Saka, come here. TikTok daw kami ng anak ko. Tingnan natin kung marunong si Mami mag-TikTok. It's a big apartment eh. Kasi 2 rooms and...
Oh, you could just about.
Huh?
You could just about have 10 people sleeping.
He's the one who chose the motel. My friends is watching Annalise.
How many friends?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Don't forget your family.
They're not watching. I'm waiting. That's why I'm still on. They're busy.
I'm off to bed.
Okay. Say bye-bye na, jealous na siya. Don't forget your family. Parang sila yun. Siya yun. Kaya, bye-bye na. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Charge ko